lost something, Hikuroa?
No, just an old friend.
Another taniwha?
Yes, but he's not lost. He's a tireless adventurer, often exploring the depths of Te Moana Nui a Kiwa.
And he's a friend of yours?
We had a mutual friend who, like me, preferred to let the mind do the heavy lifting while the body conserved energy.
You mean sleeping and dreaming?
Iahatia tō hoa taniwha?
Oh, her spirit left Papatuanuku a long time ago.
Ka aroha hoki, Hikuroa.
From up there, she farewelled us. I arrived just in time.
Touching story, but we need some paddle power. Jeez, do you have to bring that with us?
She'd get bored and lonely if I left her on the waka.
Time for Kiore to do her mahi.
I don't need a dumb rat to find water. What a colossal waste of time.
Now, you go find water, and I will come find you before we leave.
So, where to? Oh, just an easy walk then. Yeah, okay. Rest.
Lucky Toro made us pack so much kumara.
This isn't going to last.
I still can't believe our bad luck. Seeds? Like we can eat these.
Just trust me. We'll need them.
Maybe I should scout ahead and then find the easiest way up the maunga.
I'll come. I'm not even a bit tired, and it's always good to have a warrior at your side.
Yeah, nah. I think it might be safer to go alone. Keep our arrival on the down low, you know?
But I'm so quiet. I'm like a kehua floating through the air.
What? Scary?
Rangi, why don't we check what this new godstick can do?
No, I told you. They don't have a plan. All I know is we're supposed to be heading up the maunga.
Really? Up there?
Yeah, well, that so-called hopeless dim-witted taniwha seems to know a lot about this little hair, and he thinks that's where we should go.
Hikuroa isn't the only one who's been here before. Yes, yes. Let me show you the best path for them to take.
Do you think something's happened to him?
We should be so lucky.
What?
I'm sure he's fine. He probably invented scouting ahead.
have to find out where they are going before they get beyond this ridge. Or...
Chill. I'll find out, okay? I mean, Kura's really into me. She sees me as a sort of co-leader now, you know?
Careful. That wahine is no fool.
I've got it covered. Don't worry.
We've been waiting ages for you.
Well, here I am.
Took you long enough.
Nailed it. In exactly the time it needed.
And what did you find out?
Told you. My scouting skills are next level. Totally worth the wait. Sorted the easiest path up the maunga. No sweat. This rangatira hooked me up with the location of his village.
But we can't go yet. Kiore isn't back.
But that's a good sign, Rangi. It means there's fresh water nearby. Really?
How much further?
Not far. Just around a few more corners.
It's okay, girl. Not much longer. How? Just how?
It's not your fault, Josh. I'm just really caught in...
Whoa, watch out!
Careful! That's my puku! Oi! I've got very sensitive skin! Huh.
Look! They got sticks!
It's mine. I got it.
Good girl, Kazumi. What a good girl.
Thinking with your tail. Didn't see that coming.
Ko te mauri kei a koe. Ko te mauri rere. Whanua tura. Ko te au kawa kia koe. Kia ma... Oi! Wah!
Well, what are you waiting for? Drop me and my tail will be giving you a different kind of help. Where's your car? Come on! Took you long enough.
First the cursed thicket. Now we're getting straight up rock. Anyone else thinking Porakanui's all over this?